tuned to another JPS collaboration. Joey Rips, Bliss One. That RIC shit. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a luxury to even fuck with me. Nice with a knife if we talking cutlery. It's in the way the beat come to me. I keep a good company. I speak well and lay with it comfortably. What have we come to be? Just a couple seeds planted in the fall, but stunted by that winter freeze. I'm barely managing it all, standing in the breeze, swaying side to side, shaking in my knees. But look at me, I seem at ease, never show weakness, so you'll never be free. Nobody's bitch, that'll never be me. Take you off at the head, watch your body twitch in defeat. Rifle on my shoulder, chip in my teeth, chip in my head, programmed to the beat. Both hands to the sky, but no answers for me. I never asked the